Wellness does not have to be overly complicated. It doesn't have to be complicated at all, actually. It's really savagely simple. And that is our oracle, our rune. I'm a rune reader, R-U-N-E, for those who are not familiar. So when I upload this video, I will be sure to put somewhere around here the rune that was divinely given to me today. I am about to publish another journal, and this is going to be how the runes relate to your health and your wellness. A different approach to interpreting and applying the runes. But the one that was given to me just now as I'm taking a very simple walk was Urus. And as you're approaching the holidays, and as most people do, even as fitness trainers, we start to look at, what do I want the next year for my life to be? Am I going to set any New Year's resolutions, any health and wellness goals? And the rune Urus is just primal. Make it savagely simple. Savagely simple. So what I'm going to tell you to do is 2 things for your health and wellness plan, your journey, is to approach things small, because those small wins add up. The very first 2 things I would tell you to do is to start your day with intention, and start it with a hydration cocktail, and that is water with electrolytes in it. I start my morning with that, non-negotiable. I wake up, I go to the bathroom, I drink my water. I've been doing it for so long now, I don't even think about it. It literally is on automatic. And then the very next thing I do is I just put on my clothes, I look crazy, and I go for a walk. That's it. If you do those 2 things, and even if those 2 things are your entire wellness and fitness plan, you've actually won. You've won. Approach wellness savagely simple. That is the rune Urus. Go back to primal, the basics, the fundamentals. That's actually where your strength lies and where it begins, the fundamentals. Now, if you have questions about your health and wellness, if you have questions about your spiritual journey, or the intersection of all of those things combined, send me an email. Actually, you will find my email in my website portal on my page links. Send me an email, and I will do my best to have an answer, to find an answer for you. Because I know beyond a shadow of a doubt that is my purpose here. That is my soul contract, is how can my story, my trauma to triumph, my daily walk, help somebody else. All right, loves, I truly do love you, support you, and I'm so grateful with my dirty Old Navy sweatshirt that has the remnants of my Thanksgiving smoothie on it from yesterday.